So pwede ba for saltwater itong Bear King Caesar na spinning reel? Yes. Actually, ito yung isa sa mga spinning reel na marerecommend ko if naghahanap kayo ng spinning reel for saltwater fishing. Not just because yung bearings niya is naka-stainless na, but because this reel is actually a water-resistant reel. And kung naghahanap kayo ng reel, this is one of those features na dapat yung hanapin sa reel. Dapat water-resistant yung reel or it has some type of sealing. And itong reel na to has sealing all throughout the reel. So ipapakita ko sa inyo. So pagtanggal ko pa lang nitong drag knob, may sealing na protecting those drag washers. Pagtanggal ko ng spool, may sealing yung rotor. And kung tatanggalin ko tong handle, may sealing rin. It has a big gasket preventing the water from getting into the main gearing. And you have those features for a very affordable price. And not to mention, ang ganda ng build quality ng Bear King Caesar and napaka-smooth rin ng kanyang performance. So if you are looking for a reel that you could use for saltwater fishing, I really recommend itong Bear King Caesar. So ang gear ratio nito is basically 5.2 to 1. Yung kanyang number ng bearings niya is basically 5 plus 1. And if you are looking for a reel that you could use for saltwater ultralight fishing, itong nasa kamay ko is a 1,000 size. And ang drag niya is 5 kilograms. Very suitable for ultralight fishing since you are using light and small diameter lines. And kung smoothness lang ng drag ang pag-uusapan, ang drag washers niya ay wool felt washers. Meaning, yes, it's drag washers and the drag system is actually very smooth.